Laging kasama, laging kaibigan, basta wala lang sampalan. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Narito po tayo sa Laguna Lake. Ayan po yung mga bangka, napakaraming bangka. May mga baklat po yan doon sa Laguna Lake. Ayan po. Ayan po, kulay puti yung lumilipad, tagak po yun. Ayan. Ano po ba ang pagkakaiba ng statutory loss sa special loss? Ang special loss po ay legislative act created, made, crafted by the legislator. It is an act by the Congress. A special laws are the Republic Act made by the legislator of our Congress in the Philippines. When it comes to penal characteristic, it is different from what is stated in Revised Penal Code of the Philippines. The violation of special laws is not the same like how the perpetrators or the accused committed the offense. The difference is there is no consummated, frustrated, and attempted act or omission when it regards to imposing penalty. The special laws provide punishment according to special laws impose penalty. The special laws, when it violates, it directly give penalty to the crime violates by the offender. However, when special laws use the imposition of penalty of the Revised Penal Code, must be stated on the special laws. If the imposition of penalty under the revised penal code may be applied. Dito po pumipick up ng mga kangkong at dinadala sa pamilyang bayan, mga palengke. To continue our academic discussion for today, the position of penalty under special laws may be based on revised penal code as supplement if it is stated in the penal laws on the special law. Yun po, ang special laws po raw ay mga batas na nilikha, ginawa ng legislatibo na kung saan ay nagbibigay ng direktang kaparusahan. Ngunit minsan ay nagbibigay ng kaparusahan ayon po sa revised penal code or Kodigo Penal ng Pilipinas bilang suplemento sa nasabing nilikhang batas, espesyal na batas. At wag po natin kalimutan yung ex post facto law na an act cannot be punished when the act is not punishable when it was committed. Yun lang po ang ating magiging academic discussion for today. Don't forget to make a comment, like, share, and subscribe.